So here we have a commercial job where we are actually removing some existing units that had really bad roof leaks around the platforms, and we've already removed the old plenums, and essentially what we're doing here is cutting the roof, the old roofing down, and installing these new platforms and new penetrations through the roof. So you can see that there are multiple layers of roofing on this roof, which is actually a code violation. They're not supposed to be. I think you're only allowed 3 layers, and I don't know if this will show on the video, but this roof has a lot more than that. So what we're having to do is cut out the sections of roof. We've fabricated new platform covers to mount the units on, and then we have new roof penetrations, and we are having to put some plywood down in order to bring the levels up with the existing roof. And then we install the new plenums and the new platform covers. So down here we have some of the units that we've already completed. So we have a new platform cover, or a new platform rather, with a new platform cover on top, the new sheet metal plenums, and as you can see, we have a line of them down the roof. And once the roofers come in, as you can see here, and they patch in a section of roofing, the water leaks go away. So just an example of how a commercial rooftop unit should be installed when there are roof penetrations.